This is a Yanmar F165D four-wheel drive tractor. It's a 3-cylinder diesel. Really good condition. Comes with a factory installed tiller on it. You can take that off real simple. Just take out a pin, pull it, drop it down, it comes off. So you can hook up whatever type of implement you want with that. It's got a brand new loader, 4-foot bucket. Front and rear tires, really good shape. Low hours, only 830 hours on it. They're nice tractors. Body's in good shape. Just had a little crack right here on the grill. Fill that thing up with rocks, that bucket up with rocks, and it'll pick it up. Probably about 700 pounds it'll lift. Again, it's 4-wheel drive. It's easy on, easy off. There's nothing to climb over. It's got a high and low gear, 3-speed PTO, plus 3 speeds. It's got on and off 4-wheel drive, locking differential. Really good shape. Take it out of gear, start it up here. See, sounds really nice. Been completely serviced, no oil leaks. Hasn't been spray painted all over. Saw the engine in there, that's the original. Hasn't been painted like a lot of you look at these YNMs and a lot of the other stuff that come from Vietnam. What they do is the Vietnamese companies buy them, they take them apart, they spray paint everything. And the engine, the hoses, everything. They spray paint over the rust. You know, they'll put a little bit Bondo on top of the rust instead of grinding it down. Spray paint it, and you think, wow, this is a nice looking tractor, but you don't know what you're getting. What you see here is what you get. It's a nice tractor. Anyhow, there it is. Yanmar F165D. Comes with the front loader, 4-foot bucket, comes with the factory installed tiller. It'll also accept the J-bar box scrapers, post hole diggers, anything like that. So if you want to see this, any other tractors that we have, any of the implements, backhoes, go to our website at ToughTractors.com, ToughTractors.com.